What is up, guys? Welcome back to Solo MC Rider. Hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, and as you guys can see, I am trying out something new. I have an Insta360 X5 mounted here, and I have a wireless microphone inside my helmet, which is a DJI mic mini. And I just want to try out a different vlog style. I don't have my helmet cam today. The camera I have is right now is Insta360 X5, and I just wanted to try out, give it a try, see how it works doing a motovlog with the Insta360 mounted on the handlebar. And I have other ideas which I'll try out later. I'm waiting on some other different types of mounts, but for now this is the mount I have, and I just want to give it a try, see how it goes. I'm gonna go out for a quick ride and try to do a quick vlog, and then see if I can capture some nice video with it and see how it goes. So without any further ado, let's go for a quick ride, and we are going to try out the new setup, see how this goes. All right, I hope the audio quality is good. Usually it comes out pretty good when I use my DJI Pro, Action Pro 4, and with that, no issue with audio. We'll figure it out, or we will see how it comes up with this setup. So as you guys can see right here, I should have put my DJI just to show you guys the setup, but then people might think that, oh, I have the audio from DJI probably. So let's give this a try. In the future I will have a different view as well. I don't think I have seen anyone else doing I'm sure there are millions of videos on YouTube on Insta360 rollers and motorcycle videos, but I don't know if anybody has this setup, like actual vlogging, like talking, like like having the conversation with the camera on a microphone attached to it for in a motovlog setup. I haven't seen one, but maybe this is the first. We'll see. But just wanted to give it a try, see how it goes, and also the audio quality as well, the exhaust sound, see if there is anything. But all I did is connected the mic and set the gain to -6, and noise cancellation option on and off is not available on that. I tried, so hopefully we'll see. Yeah, with the, is a train coming or it's just stopped? Okay, I was like, there is a train right there, and I'm crossing. Video coming up on this. I haven't thought about it, but I didn't make a video on it, but I think I should do, because this bike is different now with a different set of tires. So I want to come back and do a review, see if this vlogging setup works out. Then I want to come back and do a couple 100 miles review on a set of tires that I installed, and I just think the best tires ever made for the sport touring motorcycles in general. So I'm sure some of you guys may guess which tires are these, but man, oh man, it changed the bike completely. All right, 0 mile without putting the foot down. That's great. Stop sign challenge. Let's see if I can stop to all the way 0 without putting my foot down. Yep, there you go. That's good balance. So I'm just hoping this setup works out good. So then one camera is giving you whole 360 view, and you can switch the angle in editing. So we'll see how it comes out. I just wanted to come out and see if this setup is good and if it's gonna work out. So maybe a different motovlogging viewing angle, but the point of view, I mean POV is like the best angle, but this is something different. We'll give it a try and see how it works. So these tires, I've been telling you, it's changed the whole perspective. There is no diffuser option on this Insta360. I don't think so. I haven't seen any, but I hope. I'm using manual white balance and shutter speed and stuff. Let's see how it comes, you know. If things works out and if I'm happy with the setup, maybe I'll give you guys a settings or setup video. Another stop sign challenge, 0. Oh no, I had to put my foot down. Cruise control on and just cruise. Yeah, so this is going to be a quick short video. I just wanted to give this a try and see how it works. And feel free to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.